Hello, today I bought the Parrot Anafi drone, so I'm going to do an unboxing. So here we go. So when you open it up, you get this Parrot controller, which we'll take a deeper look at, and you get this little case, and we'll take a look in here. And we'll find out. I think this is the drone right in here. So open it up. So it's all over. So this is the refurbished drone. I didn't buy it brand new, but we'll see. It comes with a whole set of propellers, gimbal, SD card, charging cable, extra propellers in this box, which I'm guessing you'll probably need. And that's my unboxing, so hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like and subscribe.